Hey everybody, this is Sarah from Planet Bee Foundation, and today I'm going to show you how to make a seed ball. Now, seed balls are a really fun and easy way for us to plant flowers. And flowers are basically like little grocery stores for bees. That's where the bees go to get all their food. So when we plant flowers, we're helping bees. Plus, who doesn't want more flowers in the world? So to make our seed balls, we only need three things. Some natural clay. This is ceramic clay. Came from a ceramic store, but it's all natural. It's just dirt and minerals and water, so it's great for the environment. The second thing we'll need is a little bit of soil. Has some natural fertilizer in it just to give our plants a little extra nutrients to help them grow. And then of course we need some seeds. The seeds I'm working with today are California poppies. They're the state flower of California, and these flowers have a lot of pollen in them. Pollen's one of the things that bees eat, so bees really love California poppies. But also, so do beetles. So they're a great flower for different types of pollinators. To get started, I'm going to take a small piece of clay. You only need about this much to make a seed ball. And my first step is to roll it into a ball. Now your ball does not have to be perfect, because here is step 2. I'm going to use one finger and give my clay ball a good strong poke right in the middle. Not all the way so that I make a donut, but just deep enough so that I have a mini bowl. It almost looks like a flower pot. Now, I'm going to add in just a small pinch of my soil here. Oops, I spilled a little. And then, last but not least, a little pinch of seeds. The number of seeds will depend on what sort of plant you're growing. For my little California poppy seeds, I want about 5 to 8. Now to finish up my seed ball, the next thing I'm going to do is pinch the clay back closed, kind of like folding a taco, closing a dumpling, or your mouth. And once I've closed up my clay so that my seeds and soil are safe and they can't spill out, my last step is just to roll it back into a ball. And there's my seed ball. Now, all I have to do is go find a great place to plant my flowers. Now remember, plants need 4 important things to grow. They need some space, so they have air. They need some good soil. They need water, and they need sunlight. So make sure that the place that you choose has all 4 of those things, and then all you have to do is toss your seed ball right on the ground. The next time it rains, the clay will start to wash away, the seeds will make their way into the soil, and then the plants will start to sprout and grow. And then once flowers bloom, bees will be able to come and visit your little grocery stores that you grew for them to get some healthy food. So have fun making your seed balls, everybody, and thank you for helping the bees. Bye!